What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it. Starting the video off here on the ground, talking about some mower blades here and the X blade setup. I am going to be installing for the first time some X blades on my right Velke 48-inch hydro walk-behind mower. Trying out X blades for the first time. I'm going to be doing some testing in my backyard here. Just showing you and starting out the video here. Going to bring the mower in, put it up on my Daytona jack, and we're going to get the X blade set up here, making sure you guys know the correct installation process of this. I'm going to speak it first, and then we'll get into the install physical part of it here in a couple seconds here. But make sure your nut here, then you've got your cutting blade, which is going to be your medium lift blades, is what they recommend for razors, for Ballard brand called a razor blade, and then your X blade adapter, and then your mulching blade, which for them at Ballard it's called a ripper blade. Gator blades will work too as well, the same thing. And then you've got your spindle and then the top of your deck there. And essentially how this works is your razor blade, your cutting blade, is just that. It's your cutting blade. It's going to cut at the height that you want the grass being cut at. And then after the grass is cut and the leaves are cut for the first time, the process is that your blades are creating that suction effect to, again, rise that cut grass and that first cut of leaves up into the next blade. And it's essentially supposed to cut up the grass and the leaves twice, creating more of a mulching type effect, because your grass and your leaves are rising up the deck. Our deck is up here. First cut, grass, leaves rising from the suction. Second cut, and then it essentially is going to get cut maybe 2 more times as the grass comes back down from, and the leaves come back down from the deck to get cut by the mulching blade again, and then the razor blade again, and then back on the ground. For me and my setup, I do not have a true mulching setup on my walk-behind mower here. I still have the chute. I just have a chute blocker. So what that means is our grasses and leaves are still going to be shooting to the right of the deck there, but we have a block-off plate, a chute blocker, that is going to stop the leaves and grass from, let's say, flying into a mulch bed. But in the backyard, I'll show you guys. We'll talk about it a little bit back there before we get started. But understand, this does work a little bit better with a true mulching setup, because again, with just a block-off plate or a chute blocker, all of that grass and leaves are going to shoot to one side, and it's going to leave a little bit of a line in the pass that we make on that right side of the mower. So just want you guys to know that information before we get started.